girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. I'm having fun with Anise Butterfly. Anise been here before, yes, a couple times. It's a long time ago, but yes, now he's back. Butterfly. We have 4 chords rolling in the same way through the entire song. No need for any capo here. C, E, A minor, F. Let's go and check these chords out. So we're gonna start with C, and that goes 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have E next. Open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, open E. A minor. Open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And finally we have the F, which is a bar chord. Play the index finger here on the 1st fret and push down all strings there. Then you need to add 3rd A, 3rd D, and 2nd G. And there we have the chord progression. So to start with, let's learn the strumming pattern. So if we grab the first chord, C, 1 round goes down, down, clap down, like this. Okay, a couple rounds. Okay, so you can play 2 string rounds per chord, C2, E2, A minor 2, F2, through the entire song. It will sound like this. You can also bring it up to the next level and add these bass notes that you clearly hear in this song. So how do you do that? You play first C2 as it is. Then you play E, first one. And then you play the first 2 downs. And then instead of playing the clap down, you play 2 bass notes, which is the open E in the bass and 4th fret E string. So that replaces the clap down. Then you play the same for A minor, 1 full round first. And then down, down. And then you have 2 notes here as well that replaces the clap down, which is the open A and open E. And then you go to F and play first 1 full round. And then you play the 2 downs. Then you have 1 note that replaces the clap and the last note. Only 1 note. You play that note and have a pause. So that replaces the clap, and the pause comes with that down that you don't play. And then comes the next round. Slowly, 1 round with this added notes going on goes like this. And so on. Alright guys, there you have it. Anise Butterfly, an uplifting song, 4 chords only, no capo, no nothing, just go. And there you have it. So thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this, yes, give me a like on this one. I'll be back for the next upload. Thank you so much, and play tuned.